Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to enable push to talk in League of Legends. So in order to enable push to talk in your League of Legends game, firstly open up Riot Client. From here select League of Legends, then click on the play button. Now after some time the League of Legends game client will load up. After the League of Legends game client loads, all you need to do is from the top right hand side click on the gear button, which will bring the client settings. From here you need to select the voice section. Make sure to enable join the voice channel automatically option. Then click on the push to talk button from the input mode. Now you need to select a button from here, which can be anything. You can unbind the button and rebind it. I have selected mine to be mouse button 4, which is on the left hand side of my mouse. After selecting it, we'll just click on done. And now if we go into the party of any player and we are in a party, we can just press the mouse button 4 or whatever button you have selected to talk to the members in our party and enjoy the game.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.